Is that what that is? I didn't really look that close. Here, Pat. I'm gonna show him the. Oh, shoot. We're gonna show you the chip first. Of the
probably from the other side.
You see how they tear that column apart, and they're able to bypass the electronics here. So that's number one. And then you see how their seatbelts are always buckled? We find these, every car we find like this. So if you see kids driving around in the car with a seatbelt behind them, it's so because they want a quick escape. That's what's happening. And then down here you'll see the boxes of Winchester 5.56. There's some other ammunition as well. So it's this is the problem we got, is that kids are arming themselves. There's a magazine over there for another weapon. So it's I don't know how many are in there usually. What's that say? $200 in a box. There's 3 boxes, so 600 rounds. And then you got a lot laying on the bottom in there. So Kias and Hyundais are being chipped like this. Usually the back window. Oh yeah, this window's broken. What they'll do is they'll break the back window. You know, it used to be that people were leaving their keys in the car since it was cold. But now since summer's here, they're not leaving their keys in the car, so they're smashing the back window. Usually on the other side, one side or the other, whatever side's easier to get to. Opening the door, go in, ripping the column apart. And they have a technological way of starting the car once the column's out. So anyhow, that's where we're at. St. Paul squad's on the way to recover it. Then we're going back. We know that the witnesses said some of the kids were walking to the park. And I hope you find this educational. Kia has promised that they're going to fix this, the ability to hotwire that car by chipping. They've promised that they're going to fix that. And now, maybe not next year's model, but the model thereafter. There, no, I dropped you there, backseater. Sorry about that. So, but I successfully broadcast that without hitting the stop button. And that in of itself is a miracle. Hope you found that kind of interesting.